The museum blank at 8 a.m. Open, opens. So they open the museum every day at 8 a.m. This is a repeated action. So we use the present simple tense here, which is the verb or the verb plus s. We use just the verb with I, they, we, you. And we use the verb plus s with he, she, it. The museum here is a singular noun and it's not a human. So it takes it and it takes s with the verb. So opens is the correct answer. The museum opens at 8 a.m. Please remember me this email tomorrow morning. Sending, ing, to send. The key verb here is remember. Here's the timeline, and you're here trying to remember something you did in the past. Here, remember doing this thing, ing, like you remember cycling when you were young. You remember playing football when you were young. So here we use ing with remember. But if you try to remember to do something you want to do in the future, then you remember to do this thing. You use to plus the base verb here. Here we use tomorrow morning, something in the future, so to plus the verb, to send. Please remember to send me this email tomorrow morning. You answer this one. I remember blank lots of books when I was young. To read or reading. Here we have remember, and when I was young means I'm trying to remember something in the past. So what do we use here? To plus the verb or the ing form? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.